charging the 7S18650 power module at 5 amps can give you some strange results. So as you can see now, I'm charging at 5 amps. I'm charging in this case, as you can see, two double modules, or at least double-sided batteries, which gives me a capacity of 6 amps for each module. So in this case it should be 12 amps multiplied by 24 is 240, is about 300 watts. But the strange effect you can see is that the SOC will, as you can see, go up and down. This is probably due to the balancing and the effect you will have, because the fuses to protect the traces are now automatic fuses, and they give a bit of a strange thing about the SOC, how it will see what it does. In this case I would only like to see it as a way of knowing that your battery is being charged and it is balancing. So I wouldn't be too scared of that. The SOC is a little bit strange, but in the next test I will see if the more modules you put in there, the less issues it will give. So I have already another one standing by, which I should be able to test in after I've charged this one, because I first want to charge this one. So in the next test I will see how much the influence is if you have 10 modules and if it's still the same results. Till next video.